Hiccups, sudden, funny, and sometimes annoying. But do you know why they actually happen? Science says hiccups occur when the diaphragm muscle contracts suddenly, making your vocal cords snap shut. This creates the classic hic sound. Triggers, eating too fast, spicy food, or even stress. But here is the instant trick. Hold your breath, swallow hard, or sip cold water slowly. These methods reset the diaphragm and calm the spasm. Ayurveda also suggests sipping warm water or gently pulling the tongue for quick relief. So next time hiccups strike, do not panic. Your body is just reminding you to pause and reset. This is See the Point, where health tips meet simple science. If this helped you, like, share and subscribe, because small tricks make big differences.